it's me, Miss Fabuloso. I miss you guys so much. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you hit that button and subscribe to me, Miss Fabuloso. So today is a very exciting day for me. I am going to do an unboxing. I received a BREVILLE juicer for my birthday, so I am going to do the official unboxing today. And also today is also going to be the start of my 14-day juice diet. I've been having a lot of pain in my knee, so they tell me that juicing really helps with the inflammation. So I want to make sure I get that down naturally. So I'm going to try juicing. So in order to do that, I have to unbox my brand new, she's so heavy, BREVILLE Juice Fountain Cold XL. So I'm excited about this. She is super gorgeous. And wait until you see the color she is. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Okay, let's get started. Open it here. Taller than me. Has some instructions in the front of what to do. Oh, look at the beautiful juices. Juice, juice, juice. Just going to slide it out. All right, box is empty, nothing left. But I'm going to save this box. Look at that. Yes. You see this color is so pretty. It's called sea salt. Woo. So this is how it looks inside. Wait. Oh my gosh, this thing is beautiful. Thank you, Kim. So this must be, well, let me just take everything out first. Get it out. Look at her. Ooh, this is heavy too. All right. Let's save her for last. So this is the pitcher. Goes up to 2 liters. Put that there. This is the brush that you use. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. And this is the juicer. All right. She is wrapped. I'm so excited for this juicer. And it matches my kitchen. Ah! Oh my God. See, something like this is so pretty that then I might not use it. But I'm going to make myself use it. It's a lot of stuff that I buy. And because I like it so much, I'll sit there and look at it and not use it. This just looks too beautiful to use. Oh, thank you, Kimmy. I love it. All right, so this, I don't even know how this works yet. This, I'm sure, is where you catch all the fruits and vegetables that are after their juice. I'm sure that's the best. There's another compartment in here. This is what you use to crush the juice. All right. I might have to look at the instructions because I'm not sure how you lift this up, and of course I don't want to break it. So let me read the instructions. Here they are. I'll be right back. Okay, I figured it out. So you turn it like this, just so you guys can see. So you pull pull this down like this, this comes up. But I have to take this off. Look at this color. I mean, it is gorgeous. It's called sea salt. This is the filter and everything. The filter so that you don't get any pulp inside the juice. And then this is the catch-all. Alright, so I think this goes like this. It has these little arrows that show you how it goes. Oh no, I did it wrong. This goes in here first. My bad. Then this goes first. Yeah, this goes first, then this goes. And it has arrows in here that'll show you how to pop it in. Very easy. Then you just take this. Well, I'm sure that this goes here. And let me show you. Wait. Alright, so we'll turn it around. Exciting. This goes under like this. And then it fits, it has like this thing right here. So the cord doesn't get in the way. You see it? And then this pops there. And this goes over here. So this is the spout right here. Put this over. Wait. There we go. We got it. Look at her. So then these are all the settings. We have quiet, fast, and boost. So that's for like a hard vegetable. So there she is. So right now I am going to make some juice. It's going to be celery juice because celery juice is the best juice that you can make. That's what Medical Medium tells me. I watch him. So I haven't eaten yet today. It's very early in the morning, very early. So I'm going to make my celery juice because I am trying to do a juice. Well, not trying. I am going to be doing a juice fast for 14 days and I'm starting today. So I'm going to make this celery juice and you have to drink that juice on an empty stomach every day when you wake up. So let me get started and then I'll show you how to make the juice. All right, guys, I washed everything. That took me a minute. I have my celery, so let's get this party started. All right, I hope I'm doing this right, but if I'm not, of course I can do it again. All right, so I think put the celery in first, then I turn it on. All right, let's put some celery in here. Maybe I should have cut it. No, I'll leave it like this. All right, so of course, you know, I pick it to do the hardest way. All right. Wait. Here we go. Ah! Ooh, very easy. Oh, that went fast. And look at that juice. All right, let's do some more. I think I can actually leave it on. Yeah, I can. Whoa. All right, so I should have did 2 stalks of celery. I only did 1, so I'll clean another one. Let me turn this off. And it's actually very quiet too. All right. So like I said, it's early. I was doing this unboxing, so I am actually very hungry. So this is actually my first, let's see, first juice of the day. take this off. I'm sure it's a simpler way to take this off. Oh, told you. All right, so let's pour some juice. That one stalk gave me about 10 ounces, so I know I need 2 stalks. I mean, it is nice and juicy too. Like it's nothing in there. Here we go, celery. So celery juice is not something that you sip on. You want to try to drink it all at once. Almost, and it's not bad. Like it really doesn't have like a taste at all. It tastes like water because celery is 90% like water, but it has like every single vitamin in the world to help like your hair grow, your skin to get clear, inflammation like I have on my knee. It prevents like cancers, arthritis. I mean, it helps your liver. It does everything. So, but you got to do it on a empty stomach. So this is the first thing that I had all day. Excuse me, I didn't have any water. I didn't have anything. I was just waiting to do the celery juice. All done. Whew. So I am actually going to do another stalk with celery, and you can see it's really not that messy. I mean, it took all the juice out, everything. So this was what was left of the celery. So it really strips the juice really good out the celery. So that's great. So thank you guys for joining me for my unboxing. I am obsessed with my new juicer. I'm going to be juicing for 14 days. So you can see my transformation. Stay tuned for that vlog. Also, I want to thank you, Kimberly, for giving me this juicer for my birthday. I love it and it matches my kitchen. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my video, Miss Fabuloso. And I love you all. Bye.